Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a depowder nail design using Revel Nail Home for the Holidays collection. So let's get right into the video. I purchased the Revel Home for the Holidays collection, and in the kit there are 8 gorgeous depowders. Each of the depowders came sealed and they are so pretty. So I'll be swatching the depowders for you guys to see. I also show the depowders in natural lighting as well, so y'all can get a better idea of how it looks. I also show the swatches and the depowders because sometimes the depowders look different in the container and when it's applied to the nail. So I just wanted to show that so that you all could see the difference. So for today's design, I'll be using Wind Chill, Silver Bells, and Vivian. On my nails, I'm using tips today because my nails broke, so let's pretend it's my natural nails. And I have a layer of gel base and gel top coat. Now I apply a layer of peel off base coat for easier removal. If you want your nails to last longer, you should skip this step, and I wait for it to dry fully. Starting on the index nail, I applied base to the whole nail and then I dipped it into the blue shimmer dip powder. I did 3 layers of that and it reached full opacity on the first layer. This dip powder is really pretty. It reminds me of the night sky and it's so gorgeous. I did the same for my middle finger and thumbnail as well. Now on the ring finger, I applied base to the whole nail and then I laid my finger into the silver glitter dip powder. I laid my finger parallel into the dip powder. This ensures that the glitter attaches to the whole nail. I did 2 layers of that and I did the same for my pinky nail as well. Now I encapsulated the nails with clear dip powder. I did 2 layers but I only showed 1 layer. Then I applied activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. So this is after filing of the nails, and now I apply my Model 1's gel top coat and I cure it for 30 seconds. When the nails cool down, I applied my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on the powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!